YouTube, welcome back to another video in the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over some stock purchases I made. About 23, 25, 24 stocks or so that I made tonight, as well as some deposits I made into the account as well. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell. I do have 12 portfolios, which I go over in depth with 100% transparency into all portfolios, with all my buys, my sells, my trades, my gains, my losses, withdrawals and deposits, as well as giving out stock picks 7 days a week, as I do analyze 7 days a week. And then added to that, there's a description link below to the Robinhood if you want to get yourself a free share if you have already not started a Robinhood account. So let's jump right into it. As you can see here, I made a deposit into my Vanguard account for $42. Then I made a deposit here into my Charles Schwab account for $54. And then I made one purchase of ticker NIDA, one share, in my Moomoo account at a strike price of $41.45. Then I made a deposit into the Moomoo account of $54. Made a deposit into the Acorns account of $38. Then I made a deposit of $54 into the Ameritrade account. Then this here is the public account. I purchased $49 of Lordstown Motors, ticker RIDE. Then I purchased $40 of ticker PFEB in my Robinhood account, which is a little over 1.5 shares. Market price of $26.28. Then I purchased $41 worth of ticker AIQ, almost 1.5 shares. Market price of $27.67. Then I deposited $35 into the Robinhood account. Then I went ahead and purchased, this is in the stash account, Gold Diggers, ticker GDX. This is a Gold Miners ETX. Purchased $32 worth. Then I purchased $33 worth of BLOK in my stash account. This is a blockchain technology play here. Then we purchased $34 worth of Switchback Energy, ticker SBE. This is a blank check company merging with Arrival, a EV bus company. Then we purchased $35 of BCE. Then we purchased $30 of Uncle Sam long term. This is ticker SPLT. Then we purchased $37 of XPeng, ticker XPEV, and this is a Chinese EV stock. Then we went ahead and deposited $29 into the stash account. Then we went ahead and deposited $29 into the M1 account. And then we made 15 buys in the M1 account for $29.15. So the $29.15 is going to be divided by 15. So it's going to disperse that pretty much evenly between all the stocks. The first two stocks are at a 2% holding, and the other stocks are at a 1%. So that's why the top two are a little bit more. So we got AER for 346, FINX for 346, and the rest are going to be 171, which is AGO, CIBR, CMPS, CWS, DGROW, ESGE, FCA, Hormel Foods Corp, IGF, OZON, SHAG, SPLG, ESGE, FCA. Oh, I'm sorry, those are the same. So it's going to be all these. And the very last one on this page was just WPM. So those are my 20 plus trades that I made tonight. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Leave a comment. I really like the engagement. If you can leave a comment, I would really appreciate it. And share this video if you would like. I don't mind that either. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm going to go ahead and drop a video revealing my whole M1 portfolio. Thanks for tuning in.